is Tom Verdonk, and I am the President of the European Healthcare Fraud and Corruption Network, the EHFCN. EHFCN is dedicated to combating fraud, corruption and waste in the healthcare sector in Europe, to improve healthcare systems for the benefit of every citizen. In that sense, our objectives are the same as the BPJS Kesehatan, to improve the well-being of citizens and to make sure that citizens are correctly protected by health insurance. On behalf of the members of the Executive Committee of EHFCN, I would like to congratulate you for your 54th birthday. The Executive Committee members have also asked me to pass on their sincere appreciation for your efforts in supporting the healthcare in this important and meaningful period. Through the BPJS, Indonesia is present in the midst to ensure that all Indonesian citizens are protected by comprehensive, fair and equitable health insurance. At the end of June 22, a delegation from BPJS came to visit us in Brussels. We were impressed by your eagerness to learn and your encyclopedic knowledge of healthcare insurance. With such exceptional and dedicated individuals who gave so much of their time to their work. With BPJS, I, President of EHFCN, discovered an organization with enormous potential and a view to continuing improvement. EHFCN is therefore available for further cooperation between the two institutions. I wish you again a very happy birthday.
All colleagues from BPJS Kesehatan, on behalf of National Health Security Office, Thailand, we would like to extend our heartiest congratulations to BPJS Kesehatan for completing 54 glorious years of success in providing national health insurance to ensure that all Indonesian citizens are protected by comprehensive, fair and equitable health insurance. We believe that with your commitment and sincerity, you have time after time proved your worth and have gained the much-deserved recognition and fame.
BPJS Kesehatan is turning 54. And this is a good reason for celebrating this jubilee, for celebrating this anniversary. And therefore, at first, I send my greetings from Geneva to this wonderful and important organization in social security from Indonesia. In 54 years, you have achieved a lot. You are covering all residents in Indonesia, even people from outside the country who are working there for a longer time. You are offering well-fitted services, and if you, for example, check your internet site, you see that you are using modern technologies, that you are following all the guidelines for good governance. And as ISSA President, I should not forget to mention, you are a real important part of the international community in the social security world. You have realized that it is necessary for an organization to tell the others on the globe what you have achieved, or even perhaps where you failed, and use the knowledge and experience and the good practices from the others. So therefore, you may look back to 54 really successful years, and I wish you that you will look forward for the next 54 successful years. And again, all the greetings to this anniversary from me as President of the International Social Security Association.
Hello, BPJS Kesehatan. I'm Dr. Hae Jong-Lee, the head of Health Insurance Research Institute of the National Health Insurance Service of the Republic of Korea. Dr. Ali Kupron Mukti, the President Director and the distinguished staff members of the BPJS Kesehatan. On behalf of the National Health Insurance Service of the Republic of Korea, I sincerely congratulate you on the 54th anniversary of BPJS Kesehatan. It is my great honor to give you a congratulatory message on this honorable and seminar event. BPJS Kesehatan has been successfully developing the health insurance system and improving national health in Indonesia by integrating insurers and expanding the membership. NHIS and BPJS Kesehatan signed an MOU in 2017 and has been conducting joint knowledge sharing program, research study, and organizing international seminars. The National Health Insurance Service of the Republic of Korea looks forward to continuing cooperate with BPJS Kesehatan in the future. Once again, please accept my deepest congratulations on BPJS Kesehatan's 54th anniversary. Thank you and all the best.
Hello, this is Evren Altay from Turkish Social Security Institution. I congratulate you for the 54th year of BPJS Kesehatan Indonesia. I wish you many more successful years and many achievements. Thank you.
Bonjour à toutes et tous. Je suis très heureux de pouvoir adresser un message à tous les employés de l'Agence de gestion de la sécurité sociale indonésienne pour la santé. C'est un honneur et je remercie le président directeur général de m'avoir offert cette opportunité, gage de notre collaboration et de notre amitié. Nous avons pu discuter à Paris très récemment avec M. Mukti et ses collaborateurs des caractéristiques respectives de nos organisations ainsi que de nos nombreux points communs. En effet, si chaque pays a son propre système de sécurité sociale adapté aux besoins de sa population, nous partageons un ensemble de valeurs communes, comme l'accès aux soins de santé pour tous, qui sont le fondement de la sécurité sociale au-delà des frontières et que nous promouvons ensemble au sein de l'ISS. Lors de cette rencontre, j'ai pu mesurer à quel point la sécurité sociale indonésienne, avec plus de 200 millions d'assurés, tout en maintenant un budget équilibré, est au cœur de la politique sociale indonésienne et de sa cohésion. À l'occasion de l'anniversaire de votre organisation, je tiens à vous féliciter et vous encourager à poursuivre dans cette voie à travers nos collaborations, sources d'enrichissement mutuel. Selama Ulang Tahun. Bon anniversaire.